Hi guys, so today we are going to be looking at a 4-bedroom duplex. Correction, duplex. So this estate goes for just 55 million naira. Yes, you heard me, and it's just right beside VGC. Like I said before, you can't beat that. If you need an apartment that is right in the middle of town, this is it. Now, most of the apartments are already taken, so I couldn't get into an already finished apartment because people have already moved in. First, we are welcomed by the front door, and it's occupied with building materials. So probably we'll take a look at another apartment, and hopefully it's not occupied with stuffs. Let's get out of here. So aside the actual payment, you're not paying any other thing aside from electricity connection, water connection, and service charge. Yeah, I think that's it. Now, one of the good things about this estate, as you can see, is already finished, and it comes with good roads, 24 hours electricity, excellent drainage. Inside the estate, you have a swimming pool, playground, and a park for kids. If you like this video, please click on the like and subscription button, hit the notification bell to get more awesome videos on real estate in Lagos from us. Thank you. So in this same estate, we have other duplexes ranging from 37 million, 44 million. 37 million is for a 3-bedroom, 44 million, 4-bedroom, 45 million, another 4-bedroom, and 53 million. That's for the 4-bedroom plus a BQ. Now the price differ because of the styles of the way they were built. So you want something that is high-end, fancier, you have to pay more.